Taste test. Pretty bomb.
It wasn't a bad choice.
I love oat milk. They got their food, but I didn't get mine yet. Looks yummy. So cool. Y'all, bomb AF. Everything here looks amazing. Amazing. We got some live music over there too. Playing piano, violin, he going hard. Hey y'all. We're up and we're out. It's 1 p.m. We came back to see Jonathan. Get a mimosa. One and done for me. I don't know about him, but one and done. We're driving to San Antonio after this, so we can't get too litty right now, but we need to go see our boy Jonathan before we leave again, because we don't know when we're gonna get to see him before we leave. So that's our plan, Stan. We're about to go in, see Trevor and Jonathan, and there's some hotties that just walked in, so we need to go. So we will see you guys probably on our way to San Antonio, y'all. Jonathan's original. Now we got his big boy. Got a big boy, some white wall tires, some golf carts. See baby Q. Got the boys working back there.
We asked the cops,
slaving away.
like, where should we go?
Jonathan. See baby Q. That's so cool. I love it. So proud of Jonathan, y'all. Okay guys, we made it to San Antonio. We are on our way to go try to catch the river boat, to go on the Riverwalk boat. I don't even know if that's what it's called. Oh yeah, I see the guy. He's over there driving the boat by himself. We might be on this boat by ourselves, Ryan.
Oh.
I feel like no one's here.
I know, there's gonna be nobody. We're gonna have our private tour.
We're gonna have a private tour. These buildings are so cool around here. Like, I feel like just the architecture is so much better than Phoenix. Like, look how cool those buildings are. The moss on the side of that one, or maybe that's just vine. I don't know. That building's cool right there. I feel like we're the only one out here. It's Sunday afternoon. Yep, we're headed to our little boat tour to the Riverwalk. It's currently 4:42, so we really actually only have about an hour because the shops and everything close at 6. So we kind of got a later start. Whatever, we're here now. All right guys, see you on the tour. Y'all, we just rode these about a mile to get here because it was gonna be a 12-minute walk, so why not take the Vimo? We got birds in Arizona. I don't know what the hell this is. They were cool.
You're right.
Is this the Alamo? Oh my gosh. Low key, that guy in the window just kind of scared me. John Wick. Oh, we just saw that. No, is that Ryan Gosling? So pretty. Well, obviously not what happened, but we can come back later and look at all this. Look at that. Look at that little bull right there, some turquoise on the bottom.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it be you? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were dying. Now you come into my heart uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm enlightened.
On this little stage here on the right. If you've seen the movie Miss Congeniality, Sandra Bullock was on that stage during the swimsuit competition. And look behind the stage. Look behind the stage. See those 5 bells? See the 5 bells behind the stage? They represent the 5 Taco Bells in San Antonio. High on the Tower Life building. See the gargoyles up there?
And those are the gargoyles.
See the gargoyles sticking their heads and necks out up there.
Yup.
Don't get all excited. That's not the building from Ghostbusters. It just has
I'm
the
dead. Hey y'all, we came to the oldest Mexican restaurant on the Riverwalk, which is the Rio. What's it called? Casa Rio? Casa Rio. We got some chips and salsa here. Ryan doesn't like chunky salsa, so your girl's gonna be eating it all. We came here, we're chilling, we're hot, so my hair is up, but we are gonna go try and do the Tower of America next, so that's exciting. But yeah guys, this is a cute little area. If you're in San Antonio, come check it out. Y'all, this shit is authentic. Yum. We got some street tacos. We demolished those chips. Got some green chili enchiladas. These things are stuffed. I was expecting them to be a little tiny ones, but nope. Yum. Alright, y'all, we're about to ride up that long little elevator ride. I'm a little nervous. I'm scared of heights. I'm going all the way to the top, the tippy top.
571.
That's not bad. We're going all the way to the top of this building. Excited. We just rode more VOs here. Ryan got a bird this time. Found out he had a credit, which is saving money. I'm excited to go up here. There's like a bar, restaurant. It's exciting.
Yeah, look, I loaded it with $20 in 2021. It's been sitting there waiting for me for years.
That's so funny. But yeah, we're on our way. I'm so excited. And then we're gonna head home back to the hotel after this and have a chill night. We're gonna stop at Bookie's. Going to Bookies.
Grab a cocktail or click bar 601 and enjoy happy hour. Our second and final stop will be the
So pretty. At the top. Very tippy top. Your hair right now, you look like alfalfa.
Oh god.
Oh my gosh, look!
Why is it spinning like that? Why? What is this? Why is it doing that? You kind of look like Cindy Lou Who right now.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, you're gonna have a big ass knot in your head at the end of this.
Holy shit! It's blowing everywhere. Oh my god. The hair is so funny. Okay. I think I brought my brush. You guys, it is so windy up here, but it feels so good, honestly, because it's hot and humid in Texas, as if you guys don't know.
I'll get my hair blown in the wind.
Look at him. It's not spinning like mine though.
No, it doesn't.
Holy shit, that was crazy. I'm so happy I brought a brush, honestly. But so pretty. So pretty. Back to Austin now. Oh, that's good lighting. Great lighting. My hair looks crazy. Looks great. All the city lights are coming on. We're excited for it to get dark up here. Yeah, we can stay for a minute.
When we reach the ground, your tower experience isn't over. Check out our Skies Over Texas 4D theater experience for a high-flying adventure over the Lone Star State, or watch a few classic movies, all showing in 4D experience.
Finally leaving the Tower of America. We wanted to stay till it got darker so we could get some like nighttime pictures. Okay, so is this where we bought our ticket?
Yeah.
Okay, it just threw me off. Yeah, it threw me off for a second. They have a Build-A-Bear workshop in there, y'all. Look, I almost made one. I love Build-A-Bears. I got like 40. This little row of lights is cool too. Yeah, look, Build-A-Bear. Oh my goodness, they're building a bear. Oh, this is where we came through.
So you find some scooters so we can get on a scooter.
Getting back on our transportation for the night. Look, it even has a light. It lit up the ground. That's funny. He's signing me in. He got a credit. He paying. I love writing these. I wish I could record on them, y'all. Funzo. All right, let's get it going. It's the 130-year-old bridge. Over the river. Oh, the Riverwalk does look cool at night. All the trees are different colors. Still a spot I'll never know. Ooh, this feels so perfect. How lovers made. Baby, we're so high. Oh. You hear Bucky's. Ryan's having road rage. Bucky's. Wow, this is so. Earlier when we came, there's a whole parking lot was full of cars. I'm kind of happy we didn't stop that early. This place is huge. It is literally a Costco, a Sam's Club, a freaking supermarket. I don't think I've been to one this big inside. This is the biggest one I've seen. It's literally a grocery store, y'all. We're getting one in AZ. We're getting to do it in Texas before. Crazy, y'all. Let's go. The famous Buc-ee's. Going to Buc-ee's.